Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am excited to do another Stylevana based skincare video for you guys. They've sent me over some products to try out which I have been using over the past couple of months, and I'm really excited to share them with you guys. So again, this month is based around anti-aging and protecting your skin from the sun and basically aging gracefully backwards in time, which is what I'm trying to do. So when you get to your 40s, certain things happen, like your skin starts to lose its elasticity, maybe your skin becomes a lot more drier, and then you notice that fine lines and wrinkles are starting to appear. And these are things that are very easily remedied as long as you start to use skincare soon enough before it gets to the point of almost no return. Also, just to mention, you guys know that I'm a Stylevana influencer and I have a discount code that you guys can use, which I will place here, and you can use it on the vast majority of products as long as they are not on sale. One thing I did want to mention to you guys is I'm going to be using all the products on my face today. However, you do not need to use them all at once. Some are great to use or better to use at night, and some are better to use during the daytime. But obviously I wanted to try and incorporate everything into the video, and that's the reason why I have applied so much to my face today. But bear in mind, all of those ingredients you're going to see me placing on my face today, I'm wearing it underneath this makeup, and my makeup looks fine, does it not? Anyway, so first off I needed to mention was this Som by Me Triple Retinol Synergy set. And what I love about this is that it contains retinol, retinal and bakuchiol. So basically it is a triple hit of retinol. And what I like about this also is that even though it's like a trial set, this is a large size, that's a large size, and you get 2 masks. So even though it's supposedly a tester set, they're not tester sizes, you guys. I would personally say use this serum at night as it's got a slightly heavier texture, as well as using the eye cream at night as well. You'll see me using both the eye creams in the video. And again, I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like, how lightweight they are, etc. Also, this cream that you guys are seeing, which is from Dr. Jart, you guys all know who Dr. Jart is, the brand which has the creepy baby faces for their masks. This is the Cica Pear cream, and I actually find this one to be slightly on the richer side. So if you've got dry skin, perfectly fine to use in the day. But if you're like me and you've got normal to combination skin, or you've got more oilier skin, definitely use this at night to nourish your face. Personally, I find it a little bit too heavy to use in the daytime, which is why in the video you'll see me only using a very slight amount. So again, like I said, feel free to kind of chop and change, use things. Some are better to use in the daytime, some are better to use at nighttime. It completely depends on what your actual skincare needs are. But I'm sure we can all agree that every single one of us is going to age. Aging is inevitable, but there's no reason why you can't age beautifully, gracefully, naturally at the same time, and just look fabulous doing it. Skincare is meant to be fun, but it's also great to see the results after using certain kinds of products over a significant period of time. Another thing that some people don't seem to realize, especially those who want very instant results, skincare requires consistency, and in order for you to see the true results of something, you need to use it minimum 3 months. I know that seems like a long time, but you can imagine how many years you've been alive and how many years it's taken for your skin to get to the stage that it's at. So if you're expecting an overnight change, fine, that will happen with the hyaluronic acid, but anything stronger like retinols and acids and things like that, you need to give it a little bit of time and a little bit of patience. So I'm going to shut up now and let you guys enjoy the video. If you've got any comments or questions, feel free to ask me below. Other than that, enjoy the video, you guys. Bye.
So starting off first, we're going to be cleansing our face with the Solwashu Gentle Cleansing Oil. This is a very mild oil that gently removes makeup, sunscreen and impurities. It's very lightweight and it leaves the skin feeling refreshed, soft. It's a non-drying cleanser as well, and it contains a variety of oils that makes the skin feel lovely and smooth after you've washed it off. This is the kind of one that you mix with water and it turns white, emulsifying, and it also obviously makes it very easy to remove because you don't accidentally miss parts. Once you've dried off your face, it feels lovely and soft, great for dry skins in particular. Now for toner one that I've shared with you guys in the past, this is the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Pro by Cica Essence Toner. It's an essence stroke toner, which is why you can see me applying it to my face with a cotton pad. It's very runny and fast absorbing. It's great for repairing the skin, nourishing and soothing the skin, as it contains centella, ceramides, panthenol, hyaluronic acid, so many different things. So I tend to leave it on my cheeks for a little while first because those are my dry areas, my problem areas. Then I just put the cotton pad Gracefully back to back, the bits that weren't touching my face, and I'm just going to use it to basically cover the entirety of my neck and my face. You can see that it's quite running, but bear in mind I've got quite a lot on the cotton pads. If I was just to use it on its own, it wouldn't be as obvious on my face. So I'm just using this to basically remove any last bits of impurities that maybe the cleanser did not remove, refresh my face, make it feel really nice and soft before it absorbs within a couple of seconds, leaving a nice soft supple skin. Next up is the Secret Key Starting Treatment Essence. This is a very old school, very popular product. It's a runny essence that leaves a very soft, non-sticky layer of moisture on the skin. It contains galactomyces firmate filtrate, which is known for targeting fine lines, dullness and uneven skin tone, while also improving elasticity and moisture. It also contains arbutin for brightening and other soothing ingredients like aloe, centella and other extracts. Feels great on the skin, very nicely moisturizing as well, which is why it's great to use in the daytime as well as the night. Now we're opening up the triple retinol synergy set from Some by Me. First off, I'm going to be using the Retinol Intense Reactivating Serum. This is a very rich and milky but non-sticky serum. I'm only going to be applying a tiny little bit because you're only meant to apply a little bit for a couple of weeks before you then apply a little bit more. You can see it's quite rich, which is why I actually prefer to use it at night. I'm using a very tiny amount, otherwise too much on my face will feel a little bit too heavy. As well as being infused with retinol, bakuchiol and retinol. Those are the main ingredients there that are there to boost elasticity as well as reduce the signs of aging. You can see because I've only used a little bit, I don't have to worry too much about it looking greasy or oily. That's right, another essence. This is from the brand called VT, which I love. I've shared with you guys again in their past. Their collagen ranges are amazing. This is the Cica Collagen Essence. It's got texture like snail mucin. It's kind of gooey. A little bit went into my mouth, gross. This is a very rich collagen essence and it's been created to tighten and soothe the skin. A small amount of retinol is also in here to help target fine lines and sagging skin. Again, I apply a tiny little amount, otherwise it would be too heavy to use on my face. But this is another one that's great personally for me to use in the night as it's quite rich and obviously it helps to repair the skin throughout the day, leaving it nice, soft and supple looking. Next up, I'm going to be using the Some by Me Retinol Intense Reactivating Mask. This is a fiber sheet mask which is saturated in a very milky essence, as well as obviously containing the usual 3 types of retinol. It also contains 10 types of hyaluronic acid, which makes it incredibly nourishing and moisturizing. It's a very intense wrinkle treatment for brighter and firmer skin. So when you're having one of those days where you think your skin's just looking a little bit too dull, this is great to pull out as it gives a great amount of moisture to the skin, as well as obviously helping towards anti-aging. You leave it on your face for about 10 to 15 minutes before you remove it, and obviously you can grossly see underneath the mask there's tons of essence on the face, actually more than you would normally apply just like obviously from a bottle. So what I tend to do is I will blend it all over my neck area, which is obviously important when it comes to aging, and then I will cheat and bring out my fan and let it slowly dry and absorb into my face. Bear in mind I'm sitting in 30-degree heat, so most skincare products may need a little bit of help in these kind of temperatures, but my face feels great afterwards. Now let's move on to the eye creams. This is the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Bakuchiol Eye Cream. I love this eye cream. This is actually my second tube. This is a 2-in-1 brightening and anti-wrinkle cream, 100% vegan, as it contains bakuchiol for firmness, helping with pigmentation, fine lines and texture, as well as black rice for nourishment. This is great to use in the daytime as well as the nighttime. You can see it's left absolutely no residue. Now we're going to go on to the next eye cream. Obviously you don't need to use both at the same time. This is the Some by Me Retinol Intense Advanced Triple Action Eye Cream. Very lightweight, fast absorbing eye cream, great for fine lines, elasticity, dull skin, as it helps to also increase collagen. It contains centella for soothing and repairing the skin, and niacinamide to brighten and help with uneven skin tone. Now we're moving on to moisturizer finally. This is a new product, the Dr. Jart Cica Pear Cream. It's very rich and quite emollient as well, which is why I actually prefer to use this at night time. It's very nourishing and moisturizing, contains centella for reducing inflamed skin even, as well as strengthening your skin barrier. Same with panthenol to do those things too. Shea butter makes it obviously very emollient and rich in antioxidants, but it gives your skin a very, very radiant look afterwards. Look at how my skin is literally glowing by the end of this. To finish off the skincare routine, the Mary & May Cica Soothing Sun Cream. This is a new favorite of mine, you guys. The chemical sunscreen, 100% vegan, absolutely no white cast, contains centella for soothing, niacinamide for brightening, niacinamide even. What did I say? Niacinamide. That's a new one. And it's also non-sticky, fresh and very light feeling. I love the fact that it just glides over the skin, almost just like a very lightweight moisturizer. I've been using this actually quite a lot since I've received this. It gives a really nice finish under the skin, and to finish off, obviously before I apply makeup, it makes all my makeup stick onto my skin without it gliding off. And that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.